Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about stocking up certain supplies for the kids. Before we do that, just want to remind you to, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. Ring the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I put up one of these videos. Oh, also, everybody, please thumbs up and leave a comment. Helps me out with YouTube's analytics. Alrighty. So what I want to talk to you about is art paper. And some people go, art paper. Well, sometimes, art paper covers several different things. And usually it's colored paper. Sometimes it's not, it's plain paper, but it's a heavier paper than your normal printer paper. And comes in different sizes. A lot of people consider art paper to be what we called construction paper back in the day, 40, 50 years ago. But you can pick it up at just about any major store, Target, Walmart, Staples, any tech store like that. You get all sorts of different ones, and they're really great for, especially if you have kids that want to do origami work, that want to make color projects. One of the things we used to do with the construction paper is we cut it into strips and then take the Elmer's glue, put a little dab on the end, fold it around, and make a little link, and make a big chain to hang on the Christmas tree of different colored paper. So think about what you could use art paper for and how it would help out your family in a time when everything has gone south and there's no TV, no videos to watch, power's out, whatever, and you want to have some projects to keep the kids busy and happy. All right? So before I take off, I'm going to leave a link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, and then link to two playlists, Prepping in Private and Prepping for Beginners. All right, so I'll put those up and around here. You really want to have your friends, neighbors, coworkers, and anybody that knows that you're prepping and storing food and stuff, share those two playlists with them so that they can read out, watch the videos, learn about prepping, learning what they need to do, and get their own supplies so they don't come after yours and take yours away from you and your family and leave you like this.